How to watch movies on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll first of all let you know that when flying with Hawaii Airlines, you can enjoy in-flight entertainment, including a selection of feature movies, right? Yes, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to download the Hawaii Airlines application. Once you've downloaded it, just go ahead and open it up, and then after opening it up, you can now ensure that you've downloaded the Hawaii Airlines app before your flight. Okay, and then once you're in the flight, switch to your airplane mode and connect to the movies on Hawaii Air Wi-Fi network. And how do you do so? Move to the top part of the screen, pull down your notification bar, and then put off the airplane mode, as you can see, or put on the airplane mode, and then put on your Wi-Fi. After putting on your Wi-Fi, you will see the title of a Wi-Fi network called Movies on Hawaii Air. So just connect to it. After connecting to it, open your Hawaii Airlines application and then select more. More is located by the lower right corner of the screen. After selecting more or the more page, you can see in-flight entertainment under travel tools. So just select it. After selecting it, it will load, and then you can now go ahead to enjoy the latest blockbusters and new releases during your flight. You can also see some featured movies, so many featured movies that you would like to watch. So this is basically how to do it. So ensure you try out these procedures and enjoy these movies while on your flight. Thanks for watching and have a good day.